Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for Mailerlite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, open your browser and search for Mailerlite. Click on the first link, then select Sign Up. Enter your company name, your name, email address, and create a password. After that, click on Create My Account. Next, verify your email, and your account will be created successfully. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We're thrilled that you took the time to watch our video. Your support truly means a lot. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite moments with us. See you in the next video.